the ins and outs of RV insurance. What you need to know embarking on the open road in your RV is not just about charting a course to adventure. It's also about navigating the less exciting, but equally important, world of insurance. Ensuring your home on wheels is adequately protected is as crucial as a well-tuned engine or a stocked pantry. RV insurance isn't just a box to tick. It's a safety net that ensures your journey is as carefree as the landscapes you explore. So, let's dive into the ins and outs of RV insurance, decoding the jargon and unveiling the must-knows to keep you rolling safely and securely. Understanding RV insurance. More than just auto coverage, RV insurance is a unique beast. It straddles the line between auto insurance and home insurance, reflecting the dual nature of your RV as both vehicle and living space. This means coverage needs to extend beyond fender benders and flat tires, protecting everything from your personal belongings to liability for injuries that occur in or around your RV. Types of RV insurance. Finding your fit RV insurance policies vary widely, and choosing the right one depends on several factors, including your RV type, motorhome versus travel trailer, usage, full-time living versus occasional trips, and personal needs. Here are the primary types of coverage to consider. Liability insurance. This is the non-negotiable part of RV insurance, covering damage or injuries you cause to others. It's not just a good idea, it's legally required. Comprehensive and collision. These coverages protect your RV from theft, vandalism, natural disasters, and collisions, regardless of fault. Uninsured, underinsured motorist. Unfortunately, not everyone on the road carries adequate insurance. This coverage protects you if you're in an accident with such a driver. Personal property coverage. Your RV is more than a vehicle. It's a mobile home filled with personal belongings. This coverage ensures your possessions are protected. Full-timers coverage. If your RV is your primary residence, this coverage is akin to homeowners insurance, providing broader liability protection and additional living expenses if your RV becomes uninhabitable. Discounts and savings. Navigating the cost. Insurance is a necessary expense, but that doesn't mean there aren't ways to save. Many insurers offer discounts for things like bundling policies. Combining your RV insurance with auto, home, or other policies can lead to significant savings. Safety features. Equipping your RV with security systems, anti-lock brakes, or other safety features can lower your premium. Defensive driving courses. Some insurers offer discounts for completing approved defensive driving courses. Storage options. If you store your RV during off-seasons, you might be eligible for reduced rates during those periods. Claims and assistance. Roadside to the rescue beyond the basic coverage. Consider the level of support and assistance offered by the insurer, especially for roadside emergencies. Options like towing, flat tire service, and even trip interruption coverage can be invaluable when you're miles from the nearest repair shop. Special considerations for full-timers. Home is where you park it for those who call their RV home year-round. Insurance needs to reflect the full spectrum of risks associated with a permanent mobile residence. Full-timers should look for policies that cover extended liability, medical payments for injuries occurring in or around the RV, and loss assessment coverage for those staying in RV associations or parks. State requirements and legalities. Staying within the lines. RV insurance requirements can vary significantly from one state to another, particularly concerning liability coverage. Ensure you're familiar with the requirements of your home state and any states you plan to travel through extensively. Customizing your coverage. Tailor-made for your lifestyle. One size seldom fits all, especially in the diverse world of RVing. Whether you're an occasional weekend warrior, a seasonal snowbird, or a full-time road nomad, your insurance should reflect your specific needs. Consider customizing your policy with add-ons like vacation liability, emergency expense allowances, and replacement cost coverage for personal belongings. Shopping for insurance. Due diligence pays off. Choosing the right RV insurance provider is as crucial as selecting the right coverage. Look for companies with strong financial ratings, positive customer reviews, and a reputation for handling claims fairly and efficiently. Don't hesitate to shop around, compare quotes, and negotiate to ensure you're getting the best possible deal. The fine print. Devil in the details before signing on the dotted line. Take the time to read and understand your policy's fine print. Pay particular attention to exclusions, limits, and deductibles, as these can significantly impact your coverage in the event of a claim. Safe travels start with smart coverage as you plot your course to the next grand destination. Let the peace of mind that comes with comprehensive RV insurance be your constant companion. By understanding your needs, doing your homework, and choosing wisely, you can ensure that your adventures are not just memorable but also secure. After all, the true spirit of RVing lies in the freedom to explore, unburdened by worry, with the open road as your canvas and the horizon as your guide. Here's to safe travels, secure in the knowledge that, come what may, you're covered.